If you've ever had to do this, you've probably tripped over these. We have the solution. The Sealey CP2400 24-volt cordless impact wrench. It produces in excess of 325 foot-pounds of torque, which is equivalent to 441 Newton meters. This makes it ideal for removing even stubborn wheel nuts. Being cordless makes it ideal for use where there's no air supply or mains electricity, which is perfect for jobs away from the home or workshop. For example, off-road tyre changes, roadside recovery, and industrial and agricultural applications. This superbly balanced tool incorporates a vibration-resisting hand grip and built-in forward and reverse control with a lock facility for added safety when you're changing sockets. The CP2400 is supplied with a tough moulded case, side handle, a 1-hour mains charger, and one 24-volt NiCad battery. The mains charger has indicator lamps so you know when the battery is fully charged. And if you require additional batteries, the CP2400 BP is available as an optional extra. Please note, always use axle stands when working under a vehicle and check the wheel nuts are correctly tightened using a torque wrench. The CP2400, the perfect addition to your workshop.